afternoon, friends. Now we are discussing buoyancy and center of buoyancy. What is buoyancy? When a body is immersed in a fluid, an upward force is exerted by the fluid from the bottom on the body. So that is the body which is getting submerged inside the liquid. So will be considered as foreign substance. So the liquid from the bottom is trying to push off that body which is submerged inside the liquid. So this upward thrust which is applied or exerted on the body is exactly equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. That is, as soon as the body immerses inside the fluid, some water will spill out of the container. So that weight of the fluid displaced by the body is equal to the upward thrust exerted on the body. So this force is called as the force of buoyancy, or simply it is called as buoyancy force. Center of buoyancy, it is the point through which the buoyancy force is supposed to act. As the force of buoyancy is the vertical force which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body, the center of buoyancy will be the center of gravity of the fluid displaced. Now we'll have some simple numericals on this buoyancy force. Now it is asked to find the volume of water displaced and position of center of buoyancy for a wooden block of width, so that is 2.5 meter, and depth 1.5 meter when it floats horizontally in water. That is, this given body is almost submerged inside the liquid, partly exposed to air. The density of this wooden block is given here, 650 kg per meter cube, and the length of this wooden block, so that is in Z direction, is 6 meter. So here in the cross section only the width and the depth is shown. So the length of the wooden block in the third direction, so that is 6 meter. So that will be used in calculating the volume of the block. Now the width and depth are given, length is also given, that is shown. Volume of the block is the product of these three dimensions, so that we are obtaining this as 22.5 meter cube. Density of the wood given is 650 cube. Weight of the block is, now we know that weight density is equal to weight by volume. So weight is nothing but weight density into volume. What is weight density? That is W. So that is rho into G into volume. So density of the wood given G 9.81. Volume is calculated here. So to get the weight of the block. Then for equilibrium, the weight of the water displaced is equal to weight of the wooden block. That is how much wooden block is immersed inside the liquid. So that much weight of water is displaced. So weight of the wooden block uh, just now calculated. So that is here. So that is 1,43,471 Newton. Now we have to calculate the volume of water displaced. So that is nothing but the weight of water displaced by weight density of water, because we know that weight density is weight by volume, just rearranging the terms. So now we know the weight of water displaced and the weight density of water. So we know that it is 1000 into 9.81. So that is weight density of water is 1000 into 9.81. We get here volume of water displaced. So now the position of center of buoyancy. So here, so volume of wooden block inside water is equal to volume of water displaced. So how much wooden block is getting immersed inside the water is nothing but 2.5 meter width of the block is inside the water, and H, that is this H is the height of water in height of the block inside the water, whereas 1.5 meter is the entire depth of the block, so that is not completely submerged. Only this height h is inside the water, so that is 2.5 into h into length of the wooden block, so that is 6 meters. So then volume of water displaced, so that is given here. So h is calculated as 0.975 meter. So center of buoyancy, so it is exactly half of this h, so that is 0.4875 meter from the base. Then we have one more problem here. A stone weighing 392.4 Newton is in air and 196.2 in water. So the weight of any substance in air is different from the weight of the same substance inside the water. Compute the volume of the stone and gravity. Weight of the stone in air, weight of stone in water are given, that is written here. For equilibrium, we are writing here weight in air minus weight of stone in water is equal to weight of water displaced. That is, what is the weight of water displaced? So it is nothing but the difference in uh, the weight of stone in the air and weight of stone in water. So that much weight of water is displaced. So that difference is 196.2 newtons. So what is the weight of water displaced? So it is weight density into volume of water displaced. Weight density is 1000 into 9.81 into volume of water displaced. So from this equation we are getting volume of water displaced so many centimeter cube. So that is equal to my volume of the stone. Volume of water displaced is equal to volume of the stone. Now specific gravity of the stone. So mass of the stone is nothing but weight in air divided by g, because we know that the weight is equal to mass into g. So weight in air, so given 392.4 divided by 9.81, so 40 kg. So converting the Newton into kgs. So density of the stone, so that is mass in air divided by volume. So density is the ratio of mass by volume. So volume is calculated, so that is also substituted. We are getting density. So to calculate specific gravity, we need density of the given substance to density of water. For that reason, density of the stone is calculated. So using mass of the stone. So density of water is 1000. So we get specific gravity of the stone as 2.